Happy Sunday. It's President Day weekend, and we're having a rainy time right now in Satellite Beach. But I do have a video that for the past 2 weeks, we've been going to some homes on the market, new restaurants opening in the area, and also we're at 7% right now. Interest rate hovering right there. The CPI came out on Friday, and they weren't too happy with those figures. But all in all, we still have a pretty healthy market. So let me show you what's going on around town. And if you have any questions, go ahead and send them below. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks again. And as always, if you'll like and subscribe, talk to you soon.
Floor plans, 1911-2339 at 2472 are the corner units.
Okay.
All impact windows and sliders.
Okay.
And basically this one has, as you'll see, a lot of upgrades.
Yeah, it looks nice in here.
Yeah. So
What's one of the things I love the most about Satellite Beach? We've got a new Bizarro's. Check it out. This is back where the movie theater used to be. Famous Bizarro's. Yummy, yummy. It's got this little bar you can eat in. Do you have happy hour? Tell me about your new restaurant.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is gorgeous.
We'll have draft beer soon.
Okay. What are your hours?
We are open until 10 o'clock on Friday, Saturday, and 9 o'clock during the week and Sunday.
I'm in Cocoa Beach today. This is a deep water canal. I'm going to go ahead and just post a picture and the link. But this is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Gotta go check that out. From the inside.
The flowers, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. Why are you not here? So I took some footage of what's happening down here at Sandbar Sports Grill, where Little Doe's used to be. We're pretty excited. I'll show it to you. Look below. Okay, I don't know why all of that was happening, but I'll keep you updated on what's happening over here. We can't wait. So this is off the primary. I hope I didn't lock myself out, but maybe I've got their phone number.
It's right on the water, which is really nice. And walk to 2 restaurants, which is really nice.
We're at the Coral Sands in Cocoa Beach today. Wait till you see this place. I'll take you to the outside first. We're in the front. Let's go look at this oceanfront condo. So this is pretty cool. This is a 1,800 square feet. Pretty much on the first floor as you go up. And they are raising a family here. Tile floors. This thing's been totally redone. Absolutely gorgeous. My wave tiles, they're like my favorite. You can't even find them anymore. I missed the boat. I'm gonna have to do shellac instead.
We also have our mobile closing unit, which is
So I'm a half an hour early for an open house in Cocoa Beach. I'm gonna leave it. Actually, it was a lot earlier than that. So I stopped at this beach, and it's Military Beach. Free parking. A lot of problems with people right now with charging the park. It has showers. It has a bathroom. It has a volleyball court, or however you want to call it, and it has a pavilion.
Well, it's a big house.
So go ahead and are they renting it short term right now?
Yes, yes, they are. And it's, if you look at the calendar, it's rented all the time, all the time. We actually had to block half a day today in order to have an open house here.
Well, that's all I've got for the second week in February 2024. If there's a house you're interested in particular or a restaurant you're looking for, go ahead and comment below. Have a great night.